Let's see. Okay, we're recording. Hey, what up? It's Geeky Nerd Hacker here, and I am with Geek with a Bow Tie. And we are here doing a drop test with an old flip phone.
Remember just back then, and it was so cool, just like, well.
No, don't drop it yet. Don't drop it yet.
Oh.
Alright, that was our video.
Now can I drop it?
Yeah, alright, this is 2 stories. See?
Whole giant.
Yes, 2 whole giant stories. And we're drop testing this thing because it's rumored that older phones are more durable, and we're gonna put that to the test today.
Beep 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 beep.
Alright,
FYI,
let me
it's
see it.
not mine. Oh, drop it.
See, old flip phone. Alright, cool. Old flip phone. Yeah. Alright. Okay, we're dropping it.
How about we drop your phone?
2 stories. This is 2 stories.
See this, baby?
Alright, 3. Hang on. Make sure it's lined up in the middle.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
You're not cool anymore.
Whoa. Oh, let's go check the damage. I saw.
It's just like exploding.
Yeah. Let's see this. This is a lot of stairs.
Yes. Hey,
Oh.
here's the battery.
Let's, no.
Only the back came off with the battery.
No.
It didn't even actually.
That's pretty durable. But
Oh, wow, and the off button. Oh, yeah, and down here it's a little cracked.
it's a little cracked.
Ooh, I dropped the battery. Holy crap.
Not much damage happened, surprisingly.
Okay, let's put it back together and then drop it with it being open.
What do you mean? Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm smart.
It flipped up. Yep, just like that. All right, I'll pause it. Going back. We're back, and we're gonna drop it. We're gonna drop it while it's flipped open, just like this. All right.
Hello.
It's me. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Didn't even make it up.
Yeah. Too wide to make it through.
We better try that again.
Yeah, let's check the damage. Oh, here it is.
Nothing even happened.
Let's hope we don't get caught. No, it's still good.
Nothing even happened.
It's good. Surprisingly. Like, I'm severely surprised. It's still good.
Wow.
Look.
I did not see
No cracks, no nothing. It's maybe a couple scratches on the case, but it's all good. Yeah, it was pretty scratched up already, but
Wow, this is crazy.
look at still good.
I did not expect this.
I am quite surprised. Alright. Here, I'm gonna drop it this time. Alright, drop test in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I saw it break in half.
Let's go.
Let's go check
This one's I think it broke, yeah. It's done. This phone is a goner.
So the trick to breaking no phone is drop it in 2 stories and it needs to open.
Oh no! It didn't break in half. The battery just came out again.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, there's damage.
Barely.
Look at no, there is. Look at that.
Oh,
The screen popped out.
Holy crap. You see
Yeah.
all this? Hey, that looks like
Yeah, what is that?
that looks like the thing, the speaker when you're talking to it.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it is.
This time we should like throw it.
Alright. In a few minutes we're gonna be making one more video, and it's gonna be what's inside this phone. We're gonna pull this thing apart, see what's inside, yeah. But I didn't know where I was pointing the camera at for a second. Alright. So yeah, let's wrap it up. Alright.
Well, that is the end of our video. So, as he said, we are going to be taking it apart and we're going to videotape that. So,
Yeah.
bye.
Yep, and subscribe to my channel, Geeky Nerd Hacker. Like, subscribe, and subscribe to Geek with a Bow Tie. Bow tie. Bow tie. Whoa. For a second there, I think the camera was upside down. Sorry about that, people. Whatever, it's back to normal now. Anyway, subscribe to Geek with the Bow Tie and Geeky Nerd Hacker.
Yeah.
And see you guys later. Bye.
See you.